Alright, bro. Let's go ahead and start off on a quick versus, bro. We're gonna do a quick versus real quick, bro, and then go straight into college questions, bro. Let's do a quick versus, bro. This is about to be the dumbest and fastest versus we've ever done, bro. You know what I'm saying? This versus is sound effects, man. Now, what sound effects? I don't even know, bro. But mods be fast on polls, bro, because these are sound effects, man. So it's only going to take like 5 seconds to recognize what sound effects they are, bro. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and see what we got. All right.
Bang.
Okay, this is easy. I'm not gonna lie. Chat, this is just me, bro. It's very, very. What the f is this free loot? Like, move this shit, bro. It's very, very hard to beat this. I'm gonna keep this out with you, bro. Talking Man is cool though.
Bang. Yes.
That's cool though, chat, but like, come on, bro. If I hear this sound play anywhere, bro, I remember I was in I think it was like a theater class. Yes, I did have to take a theater class to graduate. I ain't gonna cap to you, bro. I was in the class, bro. The teacher went to the front of the classroom, bro, and then the silencer wasn't on. All you heard is this sound right here, my nigga. Nigga, I bust out laughing. I was the only one who laughed, but I bust out laughing because why do you even have that sound playing out your phone in 2023? It was at the time, bro. You know what I'm saying? Bro was a theater kid. It's ironic because some of y'all is actually theater kids. Like some of y'all is it's the High School Musical who said we had to let it go. Like some of y'all are really, really theater kids. Like unironically, like adulterated, like theater kids. Jazz hands, goofy ass. What's wrong with you? What we got? Android? Let me see. Let's go Android notification, bro. Let's go Android notification, bro. Okay, and then we have. I'm not gonna cap, bro. Niggas going to recency bias and give it to Among Us, bro. The Windows XP sound, my god, I don't know, bro. What y'all niggas think, bro? I don't know, bro. I don't. Nah, I don't. It's not even close for me. I'm gonna keep it a stat, bro. That's not even close to me, bro. Windows, okay. I don't even think it's close with y'all niggas, bro. I don't even think it's close, bro.
High School Musical till the day I die.
Oh, for real, it's like that.
Still gonna chop you up.
Yo, this video is iconic. I don't know what the this is. I'm gonna keep it a stat with you, but this video is an iconic ass video. Hold on.
Still gonna chop you up. Even though we standing up on the moving bus.
Ooh.
Us, rust, us. Can't mess up cause coach gon' fuss.
Good also I am. About to hit 1 year
Opposite of weak, I'm real tough. You the opposite of real, you bluff. Fake. Eight. You ain't nothing but a leaf, have my rate. I'ma do my thing regardless.
Don't look at me. Look at him when you freestyle it.
You smell like you farted.
Farted.
On the road, I F you retarded.
Nigga, that clip's still iconic, nigga. Y'all just had to be there, my nigga. Y'all just had to be there, bro. Most likely everybody in this video was smacked, my nigga, because there's just no way, bro. You just like most likely everybody in this video was smacked, though, bro. I'm gonna keep it a stat with you. What's this shit, bro? Give it a sec. I've never seen this sound effect used like anywhere. I don't. Maybe I'm not on that side of the internet. Y'all know about this one, bro? I'm not familiar with this, bro. I'm gonna keep this stack. I'm not. But you know. I don't know. I don't know what the that was. Alien sex, it probably was, bro. It probably was alien butt sex. So it looks like we're going. You smell like you farted. We're going with that. Give me that. Why did he have these sound effects in cartoons, bro? What's the other one, bro? Yeah.
That shit was trash. You can't handle me. Hold up. Ain't you Nathaniel B?
What is that? The Nathaniel B was never funny, bro. I don't give a fuck what y'all niggas say, bro. I don't give a fuck what y'all niggas say, bro. I don't give a fuck what y'all niggas say, bro. Hold up, bro. Hold up, bro. Do cartoon one better? Putting the manual me with the other sound just disrespectful? Yo, like I feel like the cartoon is just too iconic, bro. I don't know, man. Goofy all sound, but give me that. Give me that, bro. Talk to me. Next one.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este es para vosotros.
Shout out. Where did this sound even come from, bro? Where did it sound even come? Some of these sounds I don't even know where it came from, bro. The head of doom. Where does a nigga like this a Yeti snoring, my nigga? That sounds is used in what is BBN? Nigga, what is BBN? Butt booty naked? Oh, hold on, I got y'all, bro. I got y'all, bro.
I get a couple bands, make a flip with the Taliban. Shot to the foot, make a giant skips. Yeah.
That big ass shotgun get like big. I'm in the trap. Don't say it. I'm in the trap, but booty nigga. Just different, bro. It's just different. Old Dodos, how do you remember? You remember though, bro. If you remember, you remember though, bro. Bring it back, bro. I had to bring it back one of these days though, bro. All right, what one? Guy moaning. Why did he say gay moaning? Why gotta be gay though, bro? TikTok ruined everything.
Yeah. My life be like.
Okay, what car accident did this nigga get into that had no fucking steering wheel fell off? Okay, what is this? What is this? What the bro? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't give a who wins. I'm gonna keep it this head with you, bro. I don't give a Facebook ass memes. I don't give a who wins, bro. I'm gonna keep it that goofy laugh back. Give me that. Let me see. Back to the okay. Alright, tight shit. Why is this 5 minutes? Why is this 5 minutes? I'm like, nigga, this is holy shit, nigga. I don't think this is even close, my nigga. I'm gonna keep it that with you, bro. I'm right out the party. You ain't none of friends and we let it get naughty. Sipping on them, I didn't let that Bacardi. What the f is outro? What is outro? Does anybody know what the f outro is, nigga? Are they talking about first vid? Okay, hold on. Alright, remember this joint. Hold on. Y'all gotta wait for it. Y'all gotta wait for it, bro. Y'all gotta wait for it, bro. Y'all gotta wait for it. Hold on. Shit wasn't long enough, bro. Oh, damn. Okay, which one y'all got, bro? Yo, this shit really gonna break one of these days, bro. I'm not even gonna catch you. I have a very, very bad track record with chairs and shit like that, bro. Who y'all niggas got? Oh, the outro. Okay, bet. Thanks for watching. Okay, bet. Let's go outro. Let's go outro, bro. That shit definitely digged in my butt. Yo. Oh my God, nigga, I don't think this is calm. I'm not gonna lie. I do not think this is any calm, bro. This might be like top 5 sound effects, bro.
I'm gonna be butt ass naked so the wind could just be hitting my balls and shit.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro.
Watch your jet! Bro, you just had to be there, yo, bro. You had to be there, yo, bro.
I'm gonna be butt ass nigga.
By the way, bro, when the new GTA come out, bro, if you want to be a streamer or a content creator and you're not playing the new GTA when that come out, bro, you must be smoking something crazy, nigga. I'm gonna keep it a side with you, bro.
I'm gonna be butt ass naked so the wind could just be hitting my balls. Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
That's tough, though, bro. I can't afford it, nigga. It comes out next year. You can't stack your bread up, nigga. Like, nigga say he can't afford it like the game already out, nigga. You got at least a year, my nigga. Like, see, y'all make something real quick, bro. I'm not saying you gotta pop out with the cash right now. Times is tough. Inflation is up, my nigga. But just like save, like, if you save $1 a day, my nigga, you get that. I ain't gonna hold you, bro.
Walter. Make away, Walter.
What the?
I have people across the country. I can contact them to get you some money. They influence the government, everything.
Somebody said, shut your suburban ass up, like that was supposed to be an insult. Oh no! Oh no! I'm from a decent sized living. I don't know why niggas, you know when niggas be flexing they from the hood, bro? Niggas will insult you with good compliments, nigga. Shut up, nigga. You from a nice house. God, like, nigga, okay, good thing I'm from a decent house, nigga. Shut up, nigga. You got a mom, nigga. Okay. Nigga, all right. Hey, I didn't know I wasn't supposed to, my nigga. Like, niggas be saying the nicest shit, my nigga, and putting this as insults, bro. Shut up, nigga. You got clothes on your back. All right, my nigga. Type shit. I fuck with you, bro. You feel me? Shit like those, bro. You went to school, nigga. God forbid the nigga go to an academic institution, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? That's tough, bro. Give me. Wait, what the? Just one. What is Oh, the me. Give me that, bro. Give me that, bro. Like say you got utilities. Okay, what sicko mode sound effect are they talking about? What sicko mode sound effect are they talking about, bro? What is sicko mode sound effect are they talking about? Yo, I know someone like that too. Hate on you for some nice shit. That shit crazy though, bro. Sicko mode sound effect. The story?
Yo, Ryan, you missed my last bits, gang.
Thank you for the bro. Thank you for the bro. Let me see. Later miss. What did I miss? Thank you for the 500 bits, bro. I appreciate you. Thank you for the year love, bro. Appreciate you, gang. All right, what is it? Oh, just that. Okay. Which one y'all got, bro? Sun is down, freezing cold, and that's how you already know. In his head, my dog would probably do it for a Louis belt. And what was the other one, bro? The Among Us shit. That ain't Twitch gave you bits. Twitch, appreciate you. Thank you, Twitch. Hi, Twitch. We are a blessed community. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Twitch, can you do me a favor, my nigga? Can you give me like 3 less ads and about 10K more viewers, my nigga? Appreciate you though, bro. You know what I'm saying? All right. Who won, bro? Who won? Sicko mode. Okay, bro. Let's go sicko mode. Oh, this, I'm not gonna lie. This kind of a little too iconic, chat. I ain't gonna lie. This shit has stood the test of time for at least a decade now, bro. What is Siren Head? I think I know what that one is. Siren Head sound. I think I know what that one is. Yeah, this one. Oh, this is not what I thought it was, bro. This is not what I thought that joint was, bro. I'm gonna keep it that with you, bro. Yeah, hell, I've never heard of it. Oh, I've heard it. I have. I think that's not comp, bro.
WSG, right?
I don't think that's comp, bro. What's good, bro? Thank you for that goddamn Vigila Tugans on a jitterless snap onto tuck. That happens to that snap. It's that happens. Thank you for that 8 months, bro. Let's go Vine Boom, bro. Let's go Vine Boom, bro. GameCube, I fuck with the GameCube, bro. I fuck with the GameCube. This is the Game 6 right there. This is, I'm not gonna lie, this comp, bro. This comp, bro. Both iconic but you can only pick one though. Usually, if you hear the GameCube sound effect though, it's gonna come with the crazy. I'll never forget. I seen the GameCube, and then a nigga slapped a girl with his penis. Another one, a nigga broke his bone. Another one was a nigga falling to his death. There's some dude. This GameCube shit, my nigga, like it could go either or, my nigga. This shit kind of get deadly sometimes. I ain't gonna cap to you, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Like this, shit, like it's deadly at the end of that GameCube shit, depending on what meme you looking at though, bro. Paradise. Okay, back. What? Bro, I'm not gonna lie, chat. In 2017, 2016, bro, the memes were actually like, at least on Instagram, were crazy. JJ Swag, thank you for that community gifted sub, bro. I wish I could show y'all one, bro. There was like real of niggas like getting like it was meme combo. It used to be meme combo to like Smoke Perp's Audi in the back and then getting hit by cars. I don't think I have none of them no more though, bro. But like, damn joints was kind of crazy though. Next time I find one, I'm gonna show y'all one, bro. Next time I find one, I'm gonna show y'all one, bro. I know I got some joints in here, bro. Oh, I had this joint. Hold on, I'm gonna send this joint to myself. I got y'all, bro. I got y'all. Trust the process. Trust the process. I got y'all, bro. I'm sending this to Blue Rye. Okay.
My nigga, I just went to the Diddy party. It was crazy.
The fuck? Okay. Now this technically isn't one of the videos with some crazy shit in it because I couldn't show it, bro. But this is the type of memes that was appearing on my. Hold on. Shit like this right here, bro. Y'all just had to be there, bro. The most random shit ever, bro. It used to be, and shit don't, looking back, this shit don't even make sense, bro. Like, this shit was the dumbest, stupidest shit ever, though, bro. It was the dumbest, stupidest shit ever, though, bro. But this shit just worked, bro. It just worked, though. Life was simple, then. It just worked, though, bro. Okay. What did niggas do? Gangster Paradise. Gangster's Paradise, bro. Let me see.
Look at this dude.
Wait till you see this one.
No.
I've never seen this in my life. I'm gonna keep this. I've never seen spinning fish in my life. I don't think this is calm, bro. Is this calm? I've never seen spinning fish, Chinese fish in my life, bro. Look at the top of his head.
Look at his lips.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. If this sound effect was prevalent now, that nigga, my nigga Yusuf would have been fighting for his life, bro. If this sound was prevalent now, bro. I ain't gonna hold. Look at this dude with 143, bro. Look at this dude. Let me see. What is that? That sounded like real audio from a bomb, bro, in GTA. That sounded like real Shibuya incident street audio, nigga. That literally sounded like My Hero Academia War Arc Citizen audio,
that snaps
bro.
Your femur. It is used to recontain an SCP that is attracted to human screams.
Nigga, that nigga was getting his nuts ripped off, bro. Nigga, bro was in an echo location. Nigga got his dick ripped off. I ain't never heard this in my life, bro. What y'all gonna do when the Diddy Party audio finally gets leaked and this is all y'all hear, bro? This is all y'all hear at the Diddy Party, bro. What? Jesus Christ, man. Jesus Christ, man. Next one, right? This is iconic, bro. This is when a nigga just blinks out, nigga. Patrick Star ass nigga. I like this joint too, though, bro. I fuck with both of these, bro. I fuck with both of these, bro. I fuck with both of these, bro. Low key, though. This car, it's a little difficult, though, bro. This a little difficult, though, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. It's up to y'all, though, bro. Right? Every live stream not going live. What the? That's tough, bro. That's tough, bro. He right, nigga. That's everybody, every IRL stream. What the? Unless you're in pristine Wi-Fi, my nigga. Okay, so that's dial up, get it, bro. Dial up, got it, bro. Let me see. Okay, bet. Let's go dial up, bro. Let's go dial up, bro. Cap is just you. Cap. It's just that you only watch me. Okay, we got this. And we got these. Yeah, we in the final 8, bro. We in the final 8, bro. So it's up to y'all. Honestly, bro, it's hard to beat the cartoon sound effects, bro. It's hard to beat the cartoon sound effects, though. I ain't gonna count. I'm really trying to think, bro. Nah, cartoon. I don't even gotta think about it like that, bro. Yeah, give me cartoon, bro. Give me cartoon, bro. Okay, now we're getting some actual comp, bro. Damn, chat, y'all know which one I'm picking, though, bro. Y'all know which one I'm picking, though. I'm not gonna hold, bro. Is this comp? Yes. Android versus Windows, but in terms of like what can make me laugh more, bro, it's always gonna be that Windows sound effect, bro. It's always gonna be that Windows sound effect, though. I ain't gonna cap to you, bro. When we doing fight night, we just did fight night like a couple days ago, so we will do our next fight night in 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? Just so don't get stale, bro. I'll be fighting for my life on fight night. A Twitch representative contacted me the other day. Hey, so we seen your fight night footage. Oh my god, my nigga, come on, my nigga. Like, I just don't even want no problems with them niggas, bro. We gotta keep that joint spread out, though, bro. Okay, what we got? Android. Let's go Android, bro. That was a good choice. Okay, we know what's winning here, bro. We easily know what's winning here, though, bro. But I'm gonna play this last part just because it's on it.
Don't look at me. Look at him when you freestyle it. You smell like you farted.
Farted.
Hey, beat on the bro. I F you retarded.
These low-key the best moments in school, my nigga. These low-key the best moments in school, bro. Yo, like the bars wasn't even that hard, but his homies hyping him up. These is low-key the best moments in school, though, bro. But come on, bro. Chat, let's be real with ourselves, though, bro. Bro. Vine Boom, bro. You knew Vine Boom was winning. I said women. Winning, bro. Like what?
Look at him. Don't look at me. Look at him when you freestyle it.
You smell like you farted.
Hey, beat on the bro. I F you retarded.
That is never not gonna be funny, though, bro. Okay, give me Vine Boom, bro. Give me Vine Boom, bro. Vine Boom. So what the? Oh damn, we got 2 restarted. Chat, y'all know that like that word's not TOS. It can be said in chat, my nigga. I'm gonna keep it aside. I don't know if it's blacklisted, but I'm pretty sure you can say it in chat, and Twitch will not give a fuck, my nigga. Like, okay, we got the outro and Sycamore. We heard both of them, bro. We heard both of them. Thank you, Gunnar. Thank you, bro. We heard both these joints, though, bro. Let me see. It's blacklisted because the moderations are pussies. Hold on, I got you, bro. I got you, bro. I got you. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. You smell like you farted. Audit. I got you, bro. Hold on. Mods, go ahead. You can unblock those. You can unblock those, bro. You can unblock those, bro. You can unblock those, bro. See, watch somebody gonna start spamming it. Okay, and then time them out. I'm not gonna lie to you. Some of y'all niggas act like we don't have how many mods in here, my nigga? At least 13 mods, nigga. Okay, time them niggas out there, my nigga. These niggas spamming anything, bro. Okay, it's crazy word. Nigga, is that English, bro? Okay, what we got? Outro. See what, my nigga? I actually didn't see anything. I saw nothing because niggas timed them out. Oh, here we go.
Hey Ryan, that word has been used in like hurtful context with disabled.
Please shut that shit up, my nigga. Please shut that shit up on here, my nigga. I'm gonna keep it as that with you, bro. Please shut that shit up, bro. I'm about to go. You gotta shut that shit up, my nigga. I'm gonna keep it as that with you, bro. I'm gonna keep it as that with you. You gotta shut that shit up, my nigga. I'm gonna keep it as that with you, bro. Alright, let's go. Oh, I didn't even get a chance to play these. God damn, I didn't even get a chance to play Bad to the Bone, bro. I think Bad to the Bone got it regardless, though.
This is a sound effects versus, and I can't believe they didn't include a super hot Fyro sound effect.
It probably was in there, but we only did a sound of 64 though. Okay, so we got this, and then we got, you know what I'm saying, a personal favorite of mine.
So the one could just be hitting my balls. Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Bro. I think I'm gonna watch your jet personally. I think, bro, nobody has told me the origins of this video yet, my nigga. Nigga can really be getting his jerked off right now, and we wouldn't know, bro. Watch your jet, wins no calm, bro. If y'all niggas like, I was about to say, if y'all let that nigga like getting his jacked off win, bro, like we're cooked as a society. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. You never seen a full clip? No, I've never seen a full. The dad sleeping. That was snoring.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Look at the top of his head. Chat, damn. This is also a little bit difficult, bro, but I think I might have to get into look at this dude, bro. Them flippergram roasts, bro. Y'all niggas, some of y'all wasn't there, though, bro. Some of y'all wasn't there, though, bro. Ooh, Scott, damn, that was a crazy burp I just had, bro. Where's the OG one, though, bro?
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
This is overrated. Fuck no, it's not, bro. It's not, though, bro.
Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Yo, it's not even a roast thing. It's a nigga laugh, bro. Why the nigga laughing? Why am I laughing at it, bro? I don't think this shit will ever not be funny, bro. It's not even the roast. It's the nigga laugh, bro.
Back of his neck look like
niggas on Facebook be trying to recreate this video and continue to fail.
Steak burger. Oh, he tried it. Oh.
Oh, donkey. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he wants to wear his glasses so bad. Oh, he got a PSP. Oh, donkey.
Yeah.
Mike Wazowski.
Like, this shit is so stupid, bro.
This man's want me to roast his whole family.
This the nigga laugh, bro.
Oh!
I think like this. What do you think this nigga's genuinely laughing?
No, look at this one. He look like Bobby from Lizard Lick. Lord forgive me. She looks like the mouse from Cat. She looks like Wolverine. He looked like the dude from Glee.
Why does the nigga sound like that, bro?
He looked like Sam Smith.
Bro. Okay,
Boy, your forehead look like a sack of buckwheat pancakes.
Yo. Oh, bro. Yo, that shit, I don't give a fuck, bro. That shit will never not be funny, bro. I'm gonna keep it a step with you, bro. That shit will never not be funny to me, bro. I might go who's you, bro. Holy shit, bro. Alright, bro, we got, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Ryan, please, my head stop.
Oh, bro. Yo, what's what y'all got, bro? What's what y'all got, bro? Like, what is happening, bro? Nigga said cartel audio. Yo, pick one, bro. Pick one, bro. Alright, y'all pick. What the? What the? Like, holy fuck, bro. What the hell? Oh, damn. Top 4, we're getting in the comp chat. We're getting in the comp, bro.
I'm gonna be butt ass naked so the wind could just be hitting my balls and shit. Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
Bro, not to mention, bro, that's not even the extended version, though, bro. That's not even the extended version, though. Niggas don't understand, bro. The extended version really got that shit on it, bro. Y'all just had to be there for it, bro. But Watch Your Jet, bro, is a classic, though, my nigga. I'm still giving it to Watch Your Jet. I ain't gonna cap to you, my nigga. Watch Your Jet's just too funny, my nigga.
I'm gonna be butt ass naked so the wind could just be hitting my balls and shit. Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
Yeah. Let me give it to Watch Your Jet, bro. Let me give it to Watch Your Jet, because that's what y'all pick, bro. That's what y'all pick. Butt ass nigga, I don't know why he was gonna be butt ass nigga so the wind could be hitting his balls and shit.
Look at this dude.
We got this and then outro. We got this and outro.
No.
And then we got outro. I gotta go play this shit.
Head. Look at his lips.
Which one y'all got, bro? Which one y'all got, bro? Look at this dude is winning, bro. Look at this dude is winning, bro. I wonder how that nigga doing nowadays, bro. I wonder how that nigga doing nowadays, bro. So we got Vine Boom. Oh, this comp like fuck. This comp is fuck. This comp is fuck, bro. Damn. Am I gonna lie, bro? Damn, bro. I'm not even gonna be bad with what y'all pick here, bro. No, I'm not even gonna be mad with what y'all pick here, bro. This shit go hand in hand, bro. Damn, bro. I can't, my nigga. I can't, bro. Vine Boom. Alright, let's do Vine Boom, bro. Vine Boom. That Android sound effect before we fire, though. We got that joint, bro. And we got I know it's not on here, but I want to give a huge shout out to this sound effect right here. Didn't make it, but I want to go ahead and give it this one right here. also like to give a huge shout out to. There's a sleeper. I know some of y'all don't know about this one. Though. Some of y'all don't know about this one, though, man. Some of y'all don't know about that one, my nigga. And I also like to give an even bigger shout out to. What is that? Skype. If you know, you know, bro. If you don't know, you don't know, bro. If you don't know, you don't know, bro. Okay, femur breaker. I didn't expect this to make this far.
But ass naked so the wind could just be hitting my balls. And hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Oh, no.
Damn, it's calm. Oh yeah, straight calm, bro. Oh, bro, you want fucking sub? Thank you, bro. Fuck, this is hard, bro.
I'm gonna be butt ass naked so the wind could just be hitting my balls and shit. Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Oh, fuck, bro.
Look at this dude.
Chad, this is a very hard pick, though, bro. Watch your jet. Bet. Watch your jet. Let's do watch your jet, bro. Let's do watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet, bro. It was hard, bro. But you have to do it. What the? Yo, niggas almost made a new sound effect right there, bro. Both of them combined, bro. Oh, shout out to this nigga right here since he's right here, bro.
Clean this place. That's so. What is your name?
My name?
Yes, your name.
My name na Osas.
Pardon?
Shout out to this nigga right here, bro. Shout out to his name. I would say it, but y'all know the rest, my nigga. But what y'all got, bro? Or Vine Boom. And bro, I'm gonna keep it a stat with y'all, bro. Ain't no way this is winning over the Vine Boom, no, bro. The Vine Boom is like classic, bro. Ain't no way, dog. Nah, bro. Chat, don't let it happen, bro. Don't let it happen, bro. Just for character development, don't let it happen, bro. Don't let it happen, bro. Just for character development, don't let it happen, bro. Don't let it happen, bro. Just for character development, bro. Just for character development, bro. Don't let that shit happen, bro. Come on, my nigga. Let's tighten up just a little bit, bro. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, gang. Appreciate you, gang. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Let's go.
You know what I just realized? They didn't have the Bra or Roblox soft sound effects in here.
I appreciate you, though, bro. Right? Influencing the votes, nigga. Kind of just like the... Yeah, let's go ahead and hit, the goddamn, like what? Nothing. Let me go ahead and see. Vine Boom. Let's go Vine Boom, bro. Let's go Vine Boom, bro. That's tough, my nigga. That's just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, bro. And we got Watch Your Jet.
I'm gonna be butt ass naked so the wind could just be hitting my balls.
Watch Your Jet might be more calm.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Watch Your Jet might be more calm.
I'm gonna be butt ass naked so the wind could just be hitting my balls. And hey, bro, watch.
It is what it is.
Watch your jet.
I don't know. Y'all, it's up to y'all though, bro.
Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
It's up to y'all though, my nigga. What y'all got, bro? Damn, that wasn't even close though, bro. That goddamn, I thought it would have at least been close. That shit wasn't even close though, bro. That's tough though, bro. That's tough. Okay, we got our winner, bro. Watch Your Jet got it, my nigga. Watch Your Jet do indeed got this shit, though, bro. I wonder what else was on here, bro. Hottest skin in League of Legends. I'd be scared to scroll down this website. Hold on. Let me see. Ass versus boobs. Hottest cartoon mills. Best looking girl ever. Dude. What the f is even happening, my nigga? What the f is even happening on this, my nigga? Oh, man. Nigword? Yo. Better Call Saul theme. Oh my god, what was this? I remember this one.
My God, bro.
Oh hell no, man! What the
This is a
fuck,
strong,
man?
this is a strong contender, though, bro. This is a strong contender, bro.
That
This is a strong contender, bro. This is strong.
That ain't Falco.
That ain't Falco.
That would have made it up pretty high, bro. What else though, bro? Oh my god, what is this one? Bruh. The bruh sound effect actually went gold in 2014, bruh. Not so much anymore, bruh.
Oh, nigga! Hey, yo, the pizza here. Oh, nigga! My ears burn.
Yo, they had some good ass joints on here though, bro. It's cool though, bro. This would have not made it, my nigga. I'm just letting you know, Super Idol would have not made it, nigga. I don't give a fuck what y'all niggas say. FNAF Hallway. There's a lot in here, bro. There's a lot in here, bro. I see. Well, that's gonna be it for sound effect versus, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna go on the live channel. If you're watching this on Blue Ride Live, Twitch Blue Ride in the description, come to the motherfucking stream to participate in the verses. In real time, we do verses all the time, you know what I'm saying? So come to the motherfucking stream, bro. But yeah, alright, BG.